welcome back to our class. Last week we already had a test about separation technique. Those who still did not answer their test, you can still do it. And those who haven't submitted their videos for the separation technique, you can still submit up to September 25, okay? And then, so we're going to start a new chapter. Okay, so in your book it's on chapter 5, rocks and minerals. Okay, so we're going to study about rocks and minerals. Okay, so it's a new chapter. Okay, before we go on studying your book, let's review or maybe be introduced to some of the vocabulary words you will encounter for today and tomorrow. Okay, so we have minerals. Remember, okay, this isn't the Thai meaning, okay? But if the Thai meaning is not correct, okay, I just got it from Google Translate, okay? So we have minerals, metallic, non-metallic, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, magma, lava, porous, sediments, rock strata. Okay, one more time. We have minerals, metallic, non-metallic, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, magma, lava, porous, sediments, and rock strata. Okay, so this is for today and for tomorrow. Okay, so we go to your student book, page 89. Okay, so student book, page 89, rocks, chapter 5, okay? Rocks and minerals, okay? And then this boy saw a fossil, okay? And then he asked, why is there a fish fossil in the desert, okay? How come the fish is in the desert, the fossil is in the desert? So we are going to try to answer this question when we study about this chapter, okay? So in this chapter, we should be able to describe the formation of igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. We should be able to give examples of uses of rocks and minerals, explain the formation of fossils, and recognize that fossils can tell us the history of an environment. Okay, so these are our objectives for this chapter. We will try to meet these objectives, okay? So let's start. On page 90, what are minerals and rocks? Okay, we have to know what are minerals and rocks. Okay, so minerals are solid substances found naturally on Earth. Okay, these are solid substances found naturally on Earth. So they can be made up of metallic substances such as gold, iron, and copper. Or they can also be made up of non-metallic substances such as silica. Okay, now a rock is made up of different minerals. Okay, so rocks contain different minerals. These minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. Okay, I hope you understand that. Okay, you know what's the meaning of mineral, and mineral can be metallic or non-metallic. Now a rock is a substance, is made up of different minerals found naturally on Earth. Okay, so we can find rocks in nature. These are examples. In your book it says this one is rocks along a river at Ob Luang National Park in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Okay, so this is in Thailand, and this one is Phang Bay in Phuket. Okay, so they're everywhere in nature, rocks. Okay, now what are the different types of rocks? Okay, what are the different types of rocks? Now rocks can be grouped by how they are formed. Okay, actually we can group rocks by many ways. We can group them by color, we can group them by size, we can group them by roughness. Are they smooth rocks, are they rough rocks? But the the best way to group rocks is based on how they are formed. Okay, so the groups, we can group rocks based on how they are formed. We can have three groups. We can have igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Okay, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. In Thai, I know you already studied about this, so just review. Okay, just be familiar with the words in English. Okay, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Okay, and then it says here, some objects around us are made from rocks. So this is floor made up of marble tiles, and this statue is made up of limestones. Okay, so for today we're going to study about igneous rock, how they are formed, and we're going to study about some examples of igneous rocks. Okay, see this one, igneous rocks. Okay, igneous rocks are formed by magma or lava that has cooled and solidified. Okay, so igneous rocks are formed by magma. Okay, so magma, what is magma? Magma is a liquid rock found deep below the Earth's surface. Okay, magma is a liquid rock, it's a molten rock deep within the Earth's surface, below the Earth's surface. Okay, now when magma rises, goes up to the Earth's surface, they cool down. Okay, when they cool down, they can go up like lava out in the volcano. When the magma flows out of the volcano, it's called lava. Okay, there's the difference. Magma is still deep within the below the Earth's surface, and lava when it's on the Earth's surface. Okay, now when lava cools down, becomes rock. Okay, so it's an igneous rock. Okay, but there can be times that magma can cool down within the Earth's surface. It does not go out of the surface, it does not change into lava, but then they can cool down and turn into rock. Okay, so we have two kinds of igneous rock. We have intrusive igneous rock and extrusive igneous rocks. It's not in your book. Okay, so when magma cools down and it does not goes out of the surface here, maybe here, and it becomes solid already, it becomes rock already, it's called intrusive igneous rocks. Okay, and when magma flows out of the volcano and change into lava, it's called extrusive igneous rocks. Okay, hope you understand that. Just understood, igneous rocks comes from magma or lava. Okay, so we have different textures and surfaces. Igneous rocks have different textures and surfaces. Okay, some igneous rocks such as obsidian have glassy surfaces. Okay, we use obsidian to make jewelry. This one, obsidian, is an example of an extrusive igneous rocks. Okay, it forms from lava and they have a glassy surface. It looks like a black glass. Okay, it looks like a black glass. So obsidian is usually used to make jewelry. Okay, so this is a ring made from obsidian. Okay, another example of igneous rock is pumice. Okay, pumice is from lava as well. Okay, so when magma flows out, it becomes lava and then it cools down very fast. Okay, it cools down very fast, that it's porous. Okay, porous, go back to the vocabulary. What does it mean, porous? It has pores, it has air inside. Okay, now pumice has a rough surface. Okay, so we can use pumice to remove dead skin, to scrub the dead skin in the feet or in the arms, everywhere in your body you can use that. Okay, another characteristic of pumice is it can float on water. Okay, because it's very porous, it has air inside it, so when you put it in water, it has the ability to float. Okay, Okay, next, another example of igneous rock is granite. Okay, now granite is different. It has large mineral grains on its surface. Okay, it has large crystals. If you have seen a granite, you can see the crystals. You can clearly see the crystals in it. Okay, not the crystals that you can sell now, but you can see the crystals in there. It has large mineral grains. Okay, granite is hard, which makes it a suitable building material. What makes granite hard? Okay, because granite is an example of an intrusive igneous rocks. Okay, it's magma that changes slowly into rock. Okay, it cools down within the earth's surface. It does not change into lava. Okay, so imagine if magma changes into lava, it's exposed to the air, right, to the temperature outside, right, so it cools down very fast. Now granite is different. It cools down slowly, okay, through time. So that's why it's very hard, granite. So it's suitable for building houses. Okay, so this one is a house made of granite. Okay, another example of an igneous rock is basalt. Okay, basalt has fine mineral grains on its surface. Okay, basalt is hard and we use it to make roads and pavements. Okay, this one, maybe you have seen basalt already. Okay, so for today you have to answer your student book, this one, page 93. It's on page 93. It's easy, you just match the rock to its description. Okay, so you can just match what's the description of basalt, what's the description of pumice, granite, and obsidian. Match. Okay, 4 items. And then you go to your workbook, exercise 1 about rocks. That's on page 60. Okay, so let's go to page 60. Okay, so workbook page 60, you are going to identify each rock below and state one of its uses. Okay, so this one, what is this rock? So you write the name of the rock and what's its use. What do we do with this rock? Okay, it's easy. Go back to your student book and then look, what do we do with this rock? Okay. Okay, still on page 60 on your workbook. Now letter B, this rock. Okay, what do we call this rock and what's the use of this rock? Okay, good luck. Bye.